In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an animated presentation in Canva. This is a great skill to have whether you're preparing for a work presentation, a class project, or just want to add a little flair to your slides. So let's dive in and get started. To begin, you'll want to open up Canva on your browser or app. If you don't have a Canva account yet, I recommend setting one up because it's a really handy tool for all types of design work. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard where you can choose from a wide variety of templates and design options. But today, we're focusing on presentations. Next, create a new design by selecting Presentation from the available templates. This will give you a blank canvas specifically geared for slide creation. The size and formats are just right for presentations, so you won't need to worry about resizing or adjusting dimensions later on. Now that you have your presentation template ready, it's time to modify and edit your slides. Canva offers a great selection of pre-designed slide layouts that you can choose from if you need inspiration. You can drag and drop elements to customize your slides, add more slides if you need them, and experiment with the colors, fonts, and backgrounds. Really make it your own. After you've set your slides up, let's add some life to them with animations. Click on a slide and then choose Animate from the top menu. This will open up a variety of animation options. You'll see different types like fades, slides, and more dynamic animations. Take your time to scroll through the options and pick one that complements your presentation's tone and content. Next, you can apply animations not just to entire slides, but also to individual elements. Click on any text box, shape, or image that you want to animate. Again, hit Animate and choose from the available options. This is particularly useful for highlighting key points or creating a more engaging story for your audience. Now, to ensure your presentation flows smoothly, set transitions between your slides. This is a simple but effective way to make your slideshow look polished and professional. You can access slide transitions from the same animation menu and preview them to see how they enhance your overall presentation flow. Once you're satisfied with your animated presentation, it's time to share it with the world. Click the Share button at the top right of the screen. Canva allows you to download your presentation in various formats like MP4 for a video presentation or PPT if you'd like the traditional PowerPoint file format. Choose the format that best suits your needs. And there you have it. You've just created an engaging and dynamic animated presentation in Canva. With these steps, you'll be able to impress your audience with a presentation that's as captivating as it is informative. Thanks for watching and happy designing.